In this video, I'll guide you through how to create freeform exploration in Google Analytics 4. Freeform explorations are a powerful way to dig deeper into your data, spot patterns, and answer custom questions that the standard reports don't always cover. We'll keep this simple and clear, so even if you're new to GA4, you'll be able to follow along confidently. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have access to the Google Analytics property you want to work with. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main entry point for Google Analytics. If you manage multiple accounts or properties, you may see a list or a property picker at the top of the screen. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct GA4 property, since your exploration will be based entirely on the data from that specific property. After the page loads and you're in the right place, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the main navigation panel where you'll see options like reports, advertising, and configure depending on your setup and permissions. From this menu, click on Explore. The Explore section is where GA4 keeps all of its advanced analysis tools, and it's designed for more flexible custom reporting than the standard reports. When you click Explore, you'll be taken to the Explorations workspace. Here you'll see a gallery of different exploration techniques and any explorations you or your team have already created. This page might look a bit different depending on how much you've done in GA4 before. If it's your first time, it may look fairly empty with just a few templates. Now, in this explorations area, look for the option labeled Freeform. It may appear as a tile or card along with other types like funnel exploration or path exploration. Go ahead and click Freeform. This is the starting point for building a custom drag and drop style report where you can mix dimensions and metrics and visualize them in tables or charts. Once you click Freeform, GA4 will open a new exploration for you. On the screen, you'll typically see three key areas: a panel on the left where you can choose your dimensions and metrics, a central canvas where your table or chart will appear, and settings on the right where you can fine-tune things like segments and filters. Even though our core steps are simply to access this freeform exploration, it helps to take a moment and understand what you're looking at so you can start using it effectively. From here, you can begin customizing your exploration by adding dimensions such as pages, events, or traffic sources, and combining them with metrics like users, sessions, or conversions. You can drag these fields into rows and columns to build a table that answers your specific question. If you want to focus on a subset of users, you can add segments or use filters to narrow down the data even further. As you experiment, remember that none of these changes affect your underlying data. You're only changing how the data is displayed in this particular exploration. That means you can safely try different combinations until the view feels useful and clear. To recap, you go to analytics.google.com, click Explore on the left-hand side, and then click Freeform to start building a custom exploration. From there, you're ready to shape the report around your own analysis needs. With this foundation in place, you can now explore your GA4 data in a much more flexible and insightful way.